Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please subscribe. If you are not, thanks for coming back. So we're starting with cleaning the face, and now we're using micellar water from Blossom. All products used will be listed down below. So now we're just cleaning the face with the micellar water. So now we're moisturizing our lips with Vaseline lip balm. Now we're moisturizing the face with Nivea moisturizer. Now we are priming her face. We're starting with the eyebrows, then her T-zone. Now we are applying the foundation. We're using foundation from Cosmetics. Apply the foundation all over her face. Now we are going all over the face with a damp beauty blender to make sure everything is well blended into the skin. Highlighting her face with the concealer from Zikelcosmetics. Now adding a lighter shade to make it a bit brighter. Now we are blending everything into the skin. Just keep blending till you see no harsh lines. Don't get tired of blending. Don't get tired of blending, just blend everything into the skin. Now I'm contouring her nose with a foundation that's one shade lighter than her skin tone. Doing the same thing for the other side. Now blending everything in with the beauty blender to make sure there are no harsh lines. Now using a foundation that's 2 shades darker than her skin tone to contour her face. Doing the same thing for the other side. Now blending everything in with a beauty blender. Setting the under eyes with a setting powder. Now setting her whole face with her powder shade. Setting the liquid contour with a darker shade of powder. Do the same thing for the other side too. Now just applying blush. Applying another setting powder under our eyes to keep it fresh till we're done with the whole face, and to catch any fallout from the eyeshadows also. Okay, at this point I don't know what happened to my camera, so please just bear with me. Just keep blending to make sure there are no harsh lines. So now we're dusting off the setting powder because we're done with the eyes. Okay, so now we're adding our highlighter. Applying mascara on her eyelash before putting the false lash. Okay, so now we're lining over her lips for a fuller lip. So now I'm just adding gloss. Now spraying her face with a setting spray. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.